Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. Today we are going to learn how to set the WhatsApp chatbot for your sports club. In my sports club, I usually organize matches. Because of that, I get a lot of query about recent matches, upcoming matches and whatnot. Replying each person individually would be a time-consuming and hectic task. That's where Pabbly Chatflow make a huge difference. It automates your tasks and save your time. If you want to know how to build this amazing chatbot for your own business, then let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I will show you how to create a chatbot for your sports club using Pabbly Chatbot. This chatbot will automatically respond to people who are interested in the sports clubs, collect their details and guide them through the inquiry or membership process. So let's get started. As you can see, I have already created a sports club inquiry chatbot in Pabbly Chatflow. Let me show you how it works. For that, I will open my WhatsApp web. After opening WhatsApp web, I will enter a key message, for example, hey. As soon as I entered my key message, I got a response reply which welcomed me and give me 3 options to choose from. As I want to know about upcoming match, I will choose upcoming match option. As soon as I chose the upcoming match option, I got a message of upcoming match that going to happen on 3rd and 5th of May. With that, I got an action button which says menu. I will click on that. After clicking on that, I again got the same message with the same action button. Here, this time I will click recent match. After clicking on recent match option, I got the result of recent matches that has happened in the club. So yes, as you have seen, this chatbot is replying me within seconds and improved my customer experience without any manual work. This is the power of WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for my sports club business. If you like to create this amazing chatbot for your own business, then let me guide you further. For that, open a new tab and write pabbly.com/chatflow. After that, you will be on the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see there are 2 options, sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can sign up for free, but as I am an existing user, I will click on sign in. After signing, you will be on the All Pabbly app page. Here you can see there are 7 applications present. As I am working with the Chatflow, I will click on Access Now button. After clicking on the Access Now button, I will be redirected to the dashboard page. Here, in the dashboard page, you can add and manage all your WhatsApp number from one place. And to add WhatsApp number, you need to click Add WhatsApp Number button, which is given on the top right corner. And if you want to know how to add your WhatsApp number effortlessly, we have made a separate video for that. Okay, not only that, we have many more features present on the dashboard, which I'm going to tell you one by one. Below the dashboard option, you can see there is an inbox feature. In the inbox feature, you can view and reply all messages from one place without switching any WhatsApp app. Below the inbox option, there is a contact option where you can create new contacts and segregate according to your need. After contact option, there is a team queue option where you can assign different tasks to different team members according to your need and view their performances. After team queue section, there is a template section where you can create customized template, and with the help of customized template, you can enhance your personal chat. After template, we have broadcast feature. In this feature, you can send bulk message to your contact list using personalized template. After broadcast, we have Flow, which is a powerful tool to create chatbots. After that, we have AI Assistant, Setting and Get Help. If you want to know each of the features in detail, we have created separate video for that. You can check our description box for the link. As I have given the overview about each and every features, let's get started by building the flow. For that, we need to go on Flow section and click on Add Flow button to create a new flow. After clicking on Add Flow section, we will be redirected to this page. After landing on this page, you can see a window is open named Flow Start. Here, 3 features are given: keywords, regex and choose template. Let's see each feature one by one. Choose template is an option where you can choose your created template for a personalized message. Regex is a special pattern or sequence of characters used to find, match or filter specific text. After that, there is keywords. Keywords are the trigger message that your customer will put to start or initiate the conversation. After knowing all three features, we will give our flow a meaningful name. As we are making this flow for our sports club, I will name my flow accordingly. For example, Sports Club Bot. After giving a meaningful name, let's start creating this flow. To create this flow, I will enter a reject which will identify what my customer is trying to say. Now after that, as soon as my customer enter a message, I want them to send a welcome message. For that, from message section, I will select the text button, drag and drop this option over here and connect my start flow with the message. That means as soon as my customer enter a message, a welcome message will be delivered to them. I will enter a welcome message and ask them to choose the option. And for the option, I will add few action button, and for that I will click on add button option, and here enter text as view upcoming match. I will add next action button as view recent match, and I will add one more action button as auto update. After adding each action button, I want to give a separate message for each action button. And for that, I will drag and drop this option and select the text button. Here, I will put a message for my first action button. As my first action button is view upcoming match, I will enter detail of upcoming matches, something like this, and add an action button which says menu. As my menu is my previous message, I will connect this with my previous message. That means as soon as someone click on menu button, they will be redirected to the previous message. Now again, for recent match, I will drag and drop this option, select the text button and enter my message for recent matches, something like that. And similarly, I will again add an action button which says menu, and I'm going to again reconnect this message to the previous message so that if my customer choose menu option, they will be redirected to the previous message. And for auto update, I will write a separate message, example this, that they will be updated with all the post and recent matches. And here I will put an action button which says need help, and for that I will enter a separate message that our customer support team will contact you ASAP. So with that, I have successfully created a flow according to my need and according to the step I will be needed to run a sports club. Not only this, you can create many more chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com. And for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your free chatbot for yourself. Thank you so much.